situated near the Digha railway station, was chosen to tap into the region's existing tourist infrastructure. Authorities anticipate the site will attract over 1 million visitors annually. Beyond religious activities, the project is expected to create over 5,000 jobs, including in hospitality, temple services, event coordination, security and transportation. Mamta, addressing the crowd at the inauguration, said, "People from all walks of life, from every corner of Bengal, have come together to witness this. This temple belongs to everyone, it stands for peace, culture and devotion." She thanked those involved in the project's completion, saying, "This temple was made possible because of the relentless work of artisans, laborers, officials and the support of local people. My heartfelt gratitude goes out to all of them." As part of a broader beautification and environmental plan, around 500 trees have been planted on the premises. The temple management has also installed LED screens at strategic locations to broadcast rituals to those who cannot be physically present inside. Controlled public access has been arranged through 4 designated entry points, with systems in place for crowd management during peak pilgrimage seasons. The inauguration drew public figures from various sectors, though conspicuously absent were most senior leaders of the BJP's Bengal unit, despite official invitations extended to leaders of all political parties. However, former BJP State President Dilip Ghosh made a surprise appearance. He visited the temple alongside his newly-wed wife Rinku Majumdar, entering the complex in the company of State Minister Arup Biswas and Trinamool Congress spokesperson Kunal Ghosh. Later, he also met Mamta Banerjee separately. Ghosh's presence, despite the broader BJP absence, has reportedly caused unease within the party state unit. His participation alongside prominent Trinamool Congress leaders appeared at odds with the party's adversarial posture toward the state government. Nevertheless, attention remained focused on the architectural and spiritual significance of the new shrine. The Dwar Udghatan, or ceremonial door opening, was broadcast across LED screens within the premises and at locations across the state. Mamta stated that arrangements were being made for distribution of prasad and online darshan. She has directed the Information and Cultural Affairs Department to arrange for a packet of the prasad and a photograph of the deities to be sent to all households in Bengal. This is a space of inclusive spirituality. Everyone is welcome. May peace prevail everywhere, the Chief Minister said. Daily rituals, including evening arati, are set to commence immediately. With its blend of heritage architecture and modern logistics, the Jagannath Temple in Digha is positioned to function both as a sacred site and a significant driver of local economic activity.